It's early in the morning. It is May 22nd, 2024, and this report is pretty serious. There have been 1,000, well, right now the count is over 1,000 earthquakes in less than 7 days in California. And just 5 minutes ago, there has just been another earthquake in Los Angeles. So let me just read these reports. This is from the Los Angeles Times, and the report is now they're in the danger zone. Today's earthquake in Los Angeles, the largest earthquake in Southern California, 2.9. But they're having small earthquakes right now. These are just small quakes. But California is reaching a point where there's so many earthquakes that are under 3.0 and under that they're in the danger zone now. So this report I got to get from Los Angeles Times. Hold on. Let me see what it says. California sees 2 earthquake swarms along the Mexico border. And then let's see, right now, what time was the 7.1 earthquake today? I believe there was an earthquake today. There are several earthquakes. I'm not sure what report to go with, but it says there are just so many earthquakes right now that it's just epic. But right now they're in what they actually have a monitor called the QuakeBot. Los Angeles Times robot journalist writes about the article on the earthquakes. I'm not sure what that was in March. I'm trying to find the article here. Here's what it's like to live through the big earthquake. I'm sorry if I can't find the report, but the seismic activity is that the earthquake has reached the danger zone, even though the seismic activity is not as large as what it is normally the what you would call over 3.0 and above. It is under 1,000 earthquakes, and that's why they call it the danger zone. So once I get some more information on this report, I will report back about this. I thought it was important to get online. There are more reports like this. I know it's coming. The big one is on its way. We must prepare ahead of time. So watch for this report to probably make more coverage and news in the near future because it is coming. And people in California, like my brother right now, who's flying out to San Francisco tomorrow morning, I pray to God gets home safely. Thank you for watching, and God bless.